so with this one, what I was doing is just I just threw a capo on first fret. If you don't have a capo, you could just play it in just standard regular tuning and just play all these chords, but you'll just be a half step lower. If you want a capo, check out the link in the description. I've got like a cheap budget one you can check out. But anyway, I threw it on the first fret, and then I'm going to play a G shape. So what I do is just set middle finger 3rd fret of low E, and then mute out the A with the bottom of your middle finger. So you can kind of strum that. But then I add my ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, pinky 3rd fret of the high E. All right. So what I'm doing for the strum pattern, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. All right, slow down a little bit. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. All right. So what I'm trying to do, if you want to get sort of that staccato feel where it's sort of the chords are sort of just they're like more like stabbing chords rather than ringing out, you got to try to mute the strings by setting the side of your hand down. So that's something to just work on. It's not really necessary, but you can kind of get like maybe muted after the first one, and then you'll do your up, down, let's see, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So you can mute after each section. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So mute after each piece of the strum pattern. All right, and that gets you more of that staccato feel that the keyboard is doing. All right, so then the next chord is a G over F. So what I do for that is just bring your middle finger down to the 3rd fret of the D string. And then I actually mute out the E and the A string now. So if you can like maybe put your thumb over the top and just kind of mute out that E and A string so that you can strum a little more freely. Or just focus your strum from the D string down. All right. And the same concept on the strum pattern. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And then we're going to go to, and by the way, on that G over F, you just leave your ring finger and pinky where they are. See that? So all you did was you went from here to here. Okay, and now we're going to go to a C chord. So index finger 1st fret of the B, middle finger 2nd fret of the D, ring finger 3rd fret of the A. All right, same strum pattern, same concept there. And then we got to go to a C minor shape. So what I did for that, to avoid playing a bar chord, make it easier on you guys, you just put your index finger 3rd fret of high E, middle finger 4th fret of B, ring finger 5th fret of D, pinky 5th fret of G. And again, focusing from the D string down, muting out that low E and A string. All right, so you put it all together. And then for the chorus, I was just following the same strum pattern, but not muting at all. So you just got... Alright, so just letting that ring out more for the choruses. I think that's a good sound for this tune. But yeah, I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Please hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you all, and I will see you on the next one.